So one of the folks who had watched the repair video on his thumb repair asked me if it was possible for him to hold a weapon with this repaired thumb. And honestly, with his good hand that wasn't broken, I can't fit much of anything into that hand as well. And with the shrink of plastic and the brittleness, I'm not going to force it into the hand here that was not broke, because I know that's just simply going to break. But on the thumb that wasn't, or that was broke here, just to give you an idea, yeah, I can fit, come on, there. I can fit that clip. It's kind of knuckly gripped in there into his hand. So I think, yeah, you could modify that thumb, make it a little bit wider of a gap in there to accommodate the grip. But I guess the idea to see, is it going to hold or is it going to snap off? And you can see it definitely holds. Trying to get it back out though, there. And it doesn't break off, but really when I made that hand, I was trying to mirror the dimension and pose of the other hand that wasn't broken. So that's for accounting for the size of the grip in that hand. But say I can't get that to fit into that hand, I'm definitely not going to force it, but you can see it will accommodate some wear and tear without popping off or breaking off. I don't have his bazooka, so that's why I'm using the gun here from Ranger, the Ranger figure. So I hope that kind of shows, you know, you do get a good grip. If that thumb does come off, though, you can use, as soon as I get a hold of it, sorry about the delay, you can use the 5-minute epoxy and make that up and attach a thumb that way. And actually, if when you're starting to file and sculpt on that thumb, if it detaches from the hand already, then just reattach your stub here with this epoxy, and you'll get a good solid bond there as well, because that's happened. But yeah, it'll set up good. It'll hold super tight onto there. So hopefully that kind of gives a demonstration there is a good hold. And like I say, if you wanted the hand to accommodate that grip, you'd probably have to make it a little bit spaced differently than how that originally was in there, but it can definitely take the, you know, kind of wear and tear of sliding things in and out of there without it popping off or losing paint, following those other steps in the repair episode. So hope that helps to give some info on that end. So thanks for the question.